esplosión. No.
Okay, well thank you. Bye-bye.
Gino il Berlino. Ciao, Vale. Benvenuto. Ah, merda. Ci abbiamo un upload un po' ballerino stasera, mi sa. Ah, ci ha mischiati. Merda. Ah, dai. Ah, non facciamo la guerra tra di noi. Vai, 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 vai che entra. Bella. Doppio passo. Oh! Vabbè, è entrata buona. tasto e ora sbaglio. Vai che dentro. Porca la puttana. Dai, hanno messo dentro. Quasi la paga. Ah, Dio porco. Togli, ma dai, ma non vedo dove. Andiamo magari, ok. Non mi rompere tu. Cazzo fai? Cazzo confondi. Porca puttana, no. Non è che ce la portiamo. Dio Cristo. Ah, peccato. Buona, se la facendo poi. Lo smarca tutti. Va bene, va bene, va bene. Ricambio di nuovo il tasto. Adesso metto la terapata al posto di uscire. Dietro. Porca. No. Andiamo. No, compa. Assurdo, come fai? Ma così, che siamo qua. Bravo. Bravo, mi è piaciuto. No. Oh, buono. Mamma mia, proprio me l'ha sfiorato, ragazzi. No, buono il giro che avevo fatto. Vai, che ce la portiamo tutta. 3. Ciao, non ci credo. Non ci credo. Che ce la faremo. Voglio tutta che hanno mancato. Vai, gira. Porco di... Oggi. Vai. Bravo. Ora c'è giù per Cody. Bravo. Gira. No. Oh no, il pareggio adesso, che schifo pareggiare. Buono. Andiamo. Andiamo. vai, 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 vai. Shin, cazzo. Freno dove cazzo è, scusa. Ok. Certo, mi cambia la retromarcia però. Proviamo. Ma che cazzo fai sto? Caccia perché lo fermo? Dio di gol. Mamma mia. Cerca. Gol e gol. Bella. Bella parata magari. Ah, che cazzo, ragazzi. Ah, bravo, bastardo. Oh, bella deviata. Sta vincendo. Ah, che sciai proprio malamente. Uè, malamente. E vabbè. Non posso fatto. Ah, che cazzo faccio? No, aspetta. Benissimo. Ah. Qua. Ah. Ciao Lucio. Questa impostazione qua non va a tornare a derapare e cancellare. Faccio finire la partita. Come Lucio, c'è stato il 50% di sconto nel UFC. Ah, di iscritto magari da chat con Twitch. Ah, merda. Non lo so se c'è ancora, forse c'è magari, non lo so. Ah, no, no, no. Vabbè, basta. Dai, sì, sì, 50%. Quindi sarà boh, 25-30 € tipo. Penso. Devi controllare qua sulla chat di Twitch. Cioè in privato dai mandare. L'unico contatto tuo che ho è quello, tu scrissi là. È già da boh, 3 giorni penso che c'è. Se c'è ancora, non lo so. Ah. Mamma mia. Stipe wow. Ah, bravo. Oh, ta ta. Oh, come se non c'è fatto con Warzone, no? Invece hai moddato un paio, ma coppia coglione. Al massimo mi faccio qualche detto match con gioco completo, no? Ma guarda un po' come è tutta la minchia. È intruppato qua magari con... come spacchi si chiama? Rocket League. Calamari. Allora, da posso dire una cosa, io hai scafiato una vita hai scafiato. Tra l'altro senza averci mai giocato manco una volta. C'era amici miei che ci giocavano, ci dicevano che minchia giocate tutto cosa macchina, pallone, non si capisce un cazzo. E ne per anni quindi che ho snobbato. Poi era che switch mio figlio, una settimana fa tipo. Era che switch mio figlio e c'era questo gioco si poteva scaricare gratuitamente, per scoprire che è gratis su tutte le piattaforme. E se lo scaricavo lo fa ancora. Quindi mi fece una partita a Dio, non gioco malissimo. È molto divertente, ecco, mettiamola così. Pare strano, ma poi appena capisci come ti diverti. Poi è la cosa importante. Questi figli sono le minchie che ho fatto. Troppo al centro compagno. Ma le show che devo vedere di brutto. Ma le show. Ma vaffanculo. Ma scusa che non c'è tasto, vero? Vaffanculo. Ci sogno. Ci sogno. Porta a rete, porta a rete. Bellissimo. Cerca di sprint. Che fai? Coraggio. Golasso. Oh, non so no, calamaro. Che cazzo fa? Ma perché non si muore sto scemo? Non c'è niente fesa, bestia. Oh, un po' da calamaro. Ah, fare che si calamaro. Dio Cristo. Ah, non si c'è 100%, merda. Da là. Savola. Ah, che sciaia, vediamo. No? Vedi che sciaia, capisci? Guarda, che sciaia. Buona magari. Ma vai che te la passo. Al centro, vai al centro. Adesso vai. Porco Dio, per non usare la derapata, buona magari. Per non usare la derapata. Cerca di manovra. Lo capi a derapare. E ste cose. Vai col colpo sotto. Colpo sotto. Oh, che parata cosa ha sparato. Incredibile. Incredibile. Vai. Ma bastardi veino a lasciare con un cane. Non è. Dai, sto figli sono le minchie. Oh, una pezzuto sotto cosetta la mette. Vai che tu fai. Vai che tu fai. Facevo. Non mai va a toccare proprio. Che dai, salutiamo. E tu mai va a toccare Dio Cristo. Un po' di tacco. Inter palla all'attacco. Colpo di culo. Tabbio do culo, vai! Incredibile muore, pezzo da cane. Bravissimo. E che cazzo faccio? Ci vediamo. Sotto. Oddio, ma si può lasciare la palla di sta maniera? Dio bastardo. Vai cambia la palla che da transigente. Che te blietto, adesso figli sono amici. Vai! Che culo amica. No, già sì, questa già sì. Dai, questo film di canzoni minchia. Vedete, è brutale. Guarda, ti devo morire la famiglia, ne. Dai, questi fitti sono me. Poi poi sotto ci vuole. Sniff. Questa no. Sulla minchia. Mettila. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Mi faccio fuori lo scarto proprio per pulire l'acqua. Cerca. Pam, di sopra. Pam. Di sopra ci passava. Sparata a chiappa. Ho sparato a chiappa. Vai che buona. Vai che ti viste. Porco di. Vai calamaro. Però calamaro. È proprio calamaro. Al centro c'è. Sta rurale. Uè, è bucato. Sopra minchia. La palla che sta escendo dalla scherma. Ehi. Cavallino. Cavallino. Lorde. Porco Gesù. Ah no, perché cosa così non c'ho zio, non si può pazzo io ragazzi. Gol e gol. Ma io vado uno fermo. Ma io vado uno fermo. Oh, uno fermo. Vai calamaro. Bellissimo. Bisogna al centro, magari. Bisogna al centro, ma gli a derapare con Gesù Cristo. Ah no, che stiamo vincendo, non la perdiamo l'ultimo cosa. Facciamo. Porco dio, non facevo minchiate. Dai. Furia. C'è gamba. Pure. Beh, girati. Allora, provarci ok, e niente, la derapata la mettiamo a tornare qua. E niente, resta da ok. Bene, questa penso che è la scelta migliore. Fantastico. Come ecco la rivincita. Casimo. Fat Miss. Questo che hanno un nome personalizzato, no? Ma bisogna bro e bisogna far tenere sì. Tu di mano, non cazzo sprint. Ma vengo contrastare. Buona. Ah, c'è già una sopra. Dio Cristo. C'è sogno a testa di gran minchia. A che cazzo spinge a me stesso? Testa di gran minchia. Dai, oddio, lo vuole. Adesso scemo. Ma sei scemo? Non sono dog, proprio idiota. Che sì, idiota, sì, ma meno male che ti spara la parata epica. Come è muddare io che ci sono arrivato scemo? Cioè, incredibile. Volevo fare così proprio mala con notte, sì. Ma dai, che ancora non mi sta facendo pigliare. Ma no, questo è retardato, questo aveva problemi gravi. gravi problemi ave. Era preciso. Oh, Kiddo contro Mia sta giocando. Kiddo sta giocando contro Mia. Compagno. È incredibile. Oh, proviamo qua a fare. Vedi. No. No, stiamo vedendo che c'è peggio. Vinto sabbia. Oh. Ma magari. Porco di. Vai, vedi, caso. Così incredibile. Vai. Incredibile. Vedi. Ecco, piacere, sta facendo schifo, sta facendo. Bravi, oh, ma ora ha fatto una cosa invece eccezionale. Ha fatto una cosa eccezionale, veramente. Così giusto. Ha fatto qualcosa proprio da leggio. Qualcosa da leggio. Potrebbe fare qualcosa di leggero. Bagna, che come si può passare, così giusto. Così giusto. Just do it. Vedo che non carogna. No, no. No, cazzo. No, cazzo, no. Però compagni poi che una capigliatazza sa andare. La maggiore. Oh, bellissimo. Bellissimo. Orgasmomatic proprio. Cerca. Buona magari. Ah, no, porco. C'è lui che ci va di la vada. Dio bastardo. Dai, sei derapo. Dici fermare ma derapo. Derapo, ciao. Diciamo. Diciamo. Oddio, lasci fare. No, 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 non potevo pigliare un gol così come. E dice che Brady. Qualcuno. Beh, assai nervoso. Il coppettiere veterano. Dico, se noi siamo con lo Zic. Zic prendi, aspetta. Che bastardiva io, non avevo. Zic preno. Cristiano. Oh, rovesciata che Cristiano ci sta via. Puttana la puttana che cosa angica dentro. E io infatti hanno mangiato con carica, ma tu porco dio però. Forse la bloccare, no che non ne hai pigliato. Questi. Faccio un pezzone la questione. Che porco di... No, fermo sul bastardo, minchia bella però. Succhi su camere. Ma succhio di miele. Proprio su camere questo. Sì. Succo di miele giù freddo. Ma poi che esce lo schermo. Frigoci. Ah, porco Gesù, questi sono troppo forti. Uno veterano, uno rocchettiere. Hanno un clan, squadra personalizzato, compagno mi abbandonato. Vaffanculo. Poi vai a cagare, ne. Che mica fa che... Che va bene, si moscia. Di faccia si moscia, perché io se mi moscia faccio. Oh, bello tiro! Vai, ecco bello tiro. Ecco bello tiro. Guarda il tiro. Yeah. Sbloccation. Niente, magari ha cagato un cazzo che per tutta sta sbloccatina. Sbloccatina che... Ma dire... La mascina...
UFC Sports. It's in the game.
Prova, sì, si prova. Ok. Lo metto più vicino. Così, bravo. Vabbè, mi giro back up. Arriva Tony. Tony me coglioni. Conor McGregor, che cazzo, vai.
It is a lightweight bout between Conor McGregor and Tony Ferguson. Well, hard to believe we haven't seen this matchup before. It is now underway. Tony Ferguson versus Conor McGregor. If you're Conor, how do you approach this champ?
You gotta go forward. You gotta put Tony on his back foot. You have got to take the fight to Tony Ferguson right away. Tony Ferguson is at his best when he is flowing, when he is comfortable. Conor cannot allow him to get comfortable out there.
Nice punch there by Ferguson.
Ah, cazzo, ci sto lanciando con una pedata in faccia.
You do not want to eat too many of those.
No, you can't. He does not wind up on that kick.
Ah, perché non
Somehow
l'ha
is
tirato?
managing
Beh, eccolo.
to land it so much more.
He is all about that left kick to the body. Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick,
Questo
man.
pezzo overendo. Vai.
Mixes it up nicely in terms of staying heavy and also staying active. McGregor gets caught with that punch. His
Vai,
chin is held
vai,
up
che lo
for
facciamo.
Gotta shore up the defense.
Ai ai.
here.
Vabbè, un po' che ha prese per
Total
me.
strikes have
Beh.
landed for Conor McGregor.
Beautiful body kick.
Nice 1-2 there. Nice connection there by Tony Ferguson. You're probably glad you never had to prepare for a fighter like this in your day.
I've never seen anything like that, and I'm not sure
Oh,
if anyone
sbagliato.
like that going up in the weights. Tony Ferguson does not give you any idea of what you're facing.
Ah, il
You're in
coscio
there, you're
preso per
confused.
caso.
He doesn't give you any type of pattern inside the octagon. Big kick.
Hook
Vai.
to the head by
Cazzo
Ferguson.
di overhead che fa.
All right, so a nice shot there defensively to raise the guard and prevent any damage. Looks like it
Ah,
did start a little bit.
He's from
Che grattare, Dio porco.
Oh, straight right. Just misses there with the
Ma
left.
che cavolo non cade, perché Conor McGregor è invincibile, è assurdo.
How's his opponent still standing?
I have no
Ah, come non cade a te, me lo spieghi. Come non cade, spiegamelo,
but it's gotta be over very soon.
spiegamelo.
Well, that body. Oh,
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Come che non cade.
oh, high-level defense there. The hook shot is blocked by Conor.
Look at him drive his shin into his opponent's body with that body kick.
Oh, beautiful straight right
Hey.
hand. Well, half length, it's another thing to use it, and he.
No, io cado, io no.
He's hurt bad
Assurdo.
now. He's got to press him.
Assurdo.
He's got to go chase that finish down now.
Io cado, io no.
So under
Aye.
30 seconds to go in what has been a pretty entertaining and active first round. Oh, there as he lands, and maybe time to get the bonus checks ready.
I mean, this fight is about done. He's got him hurt very bad with his head kick. Now he has to find one more strike to end the night.
Oh, non lo so, se non ci fosse stato quel knockdown, il round era mio. Ah, scusate.
All right, so there's the horn
I'm gonna get
signifying
good
the end of the round. We had a knockdown there, but not a knockout.
No, it wasn't a knockout, but you
Knockout.
can't take those shots. That big punch landed, and it sat him down. If he gets hit with another one of those, it might be good night, Irene.
Ma che dicendo un pugno e ti piantere con un pugno solo. Tu massacri e non piantere mai. L'hai visto?
Round two, Conor McGregor versus El Kukui, Tony Ferguson.
Incredibile. Vedete.
Oh!
E che cazzo.
Serve him up.
Rotto cazzo. No, no.
Oh, that diving
Buona.
punch landed.
Now he's on top of him looking for the finish.
E muore, cazzo. Muore. Muore.
He got it. What a performance.
Again, the winner here was so aggressive
Ecco
with his
portato.
onslaught. He wanted to make sure he kept the judges out of the equation. Mission accomplished on that front as he gets the TKO victory here tonight. Bruce Buffer is in the octagon with
Dominato. A parte quel knockdown che mi aveva fatto lui. Vabbè. Roma, sono per dire. Ranked. Non c'è solo che incontri di piazzamento, fa ancora facciamo. No, aspetta, che cazzo fa? Minchia, allora hit. Ok, va bene. Aspetta però, scarichiamo anche le sfide. Prego, so che mi bade. Ci sono i modi per KTO. Bade, che mi bade. So che mi bade. So che mi bade. Raga. Sapete che categoria c'è? Mosca, paglia, gallo, i film, vai, a qua. Amanda. Amanda Shevchenko. Sakura, Amanda Margarita, e va bene. Sakura, casca che Genko.
It is a women's bantamweight matchup between Amanda Nunes and Amanda Nunes.
Già questo è fregato. Divisione 3. No, ma non capiamo che cazzo è uno e che cazzo è l'altro. Tutto con io.
All right, so here we go with round one. We're expecting a lot of action and really to see both women challenged in all phases of mixed martial arts.
They're both so talented. They're both so good at every aspect of fighting. I want to see who can truly force their style on the other one.
Nunes' head kick looked like that one was blocked.
Sto più diretto, sto scienza.
Nice straight punch.
So both girls landing right out of the chute. Well, Amanda Nunes.
Oh, vai, vai, vai.
Such a diverse striker that big strike landed, and it looks like she's gonna finish the fight.
Oh no, no, porca puttana. Non toccamo vantaggio.
Nice hook land.
Oh, that was a big one there.
No, perché mi fai le fottere così? Perché?
She has to go chase the finish.
Perché mi fai le fottere così?
Oh,
Well, she keeps going back to that right hand. This one's not there
Non
for
ce
her.
n'è dai. Ah, perché faccio sempre sta minchiata? Mi dice foto.
Their beautiful straight
Mama.
punch, and now her opponent's firmly on the ropes.
but she can't take pictures now. She has to react. She has to go chase the finish.
So just over 20 total strikes have landed for the Lioness Amanda Nunes.
Scusa, no, che cazzo è? Oh, non mi
No,
pugno,
what
così
you're
che
gonna
sta.
see with this young lady is she gonna
No, non ci può stare. Non ho capito. Così è. Ah, sì, sì, non è.
All right, she's got the full mount here, DC. It's hard for me to remember a time in which you were fully mounted in the UFC.
I have never been full mounted. I hope to never be full mounted. And this young lady now finds herself in this position. In this position, what's very key is that she cannot panic. She's got to go and attack the hip, create some space, trip off to a side, re-slide it.
And she did not miss there.
Oh,
This
ma
could
se
be
la
the end.
piglio.
She hurt her so
Cosa la
bad
piglio?
with that big head kick. I don't know how she stands.
Try to establish that jab. Oh!
She is such a diverse striker that
Ah, perché mi fanno pistare sempre che gli a pressare. passare senza motivo.
Back to the feet.
Ah, va. Non muore più. Ammazzato stavolta. Ammazzato. Oh, ti pisci che tiro. Ah. Sa tenere bene la distanza sta stronza. E poi saranno stronzi. Fai pigliare a Iddo iniziativa.
All right, so there it is, the end of the round. Somehow she survives and advances after getting knocked down with a big punch there in that round.
She's tough.
Quel round suo.
She's durable. But she cannot continue to take strikes like this. She needs to move her head on the center line. She cannot be a stationary target if she has any desire to win this fight.
All right, here we go now with our second round. Amanda Nunes versus Amanda Nunes.
Sempre che devo forzare io. Sono super contento. Sempre che devo forzare. Io chi sta posso vincere. Se gioco intelligentemente. Se gioco come un coglione no. Attenzione, che gestiamo. Gestiamo.
So another swing and a miss, and I'd imagine if your gas tank is this low, you gotta find times to try to preserve that energy and get yourself back to a place where you can actually dole out some damage.
Yeah, you gotta get out this space.
No, forzato io.
She's thrown tonight. Her opponents are
Sono un coglione, sono un coglione, perché sempre ti devo forzare. Non devo forzare.
Well, the numbers continue to pile up here. 56 total strikes have already landed for Amanda Nunes. Well, not the most efficient effort today. The numbers landing with 34%.
Come dico, non devo forzare e continuo a forzare invece io. Sì. Non devo forzare e continuo a forzare invece. Vabbè. Ho forzato tutto il tempo per il KO e ho perso. Tutto il tempo testa di minchia.
Forever, ever. Jaimito y Michael D. Render. The pyrotechnocrats, the old razzle-dazzlers. The magic bean imbibers. The green giant of the rhyme contrivers. Supreme violence at a time describers. I'm the decider. You evil eyes. A pile driver provided for liars. The sleep depriver. The nick of time. Mercy killed the nine and prime. I killed the moon of a brutalist MacGyver. A slapper yapper from the acne to the tooth bone fiber. I'm liver. Dark crime designer. Criminal minder. And I'm a born and bred Uso who chopped and screwed truth up. Think I got a case of the Mondays on.
It is a women's bantamweight showdown between Amanda Nunes and Raquel Pennington.
You ready? You ready?
All right, so here we go with round one. You've got maybe the division's most well-rounded fighter taking on a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioner of the highest order. You got a sprawling brawl tonight.
Yeah, you got to sprawl the ball. You got to keep this fight upright. She needs to make sure that she doesn't overextend on any punches and find herself on the ground grappling with this fantastic jiu-jitsu
che cazzo faccio?
Look at the angle of that nice body.
They're certainly getting after it early. Oh, the head kick lands for Amanda Nunes. We've seen that before.
Yeah, you've seen her land it. You saw that in the Holly Holm fight. We talked about this on air before. You can almost see her smirk like, I got it. I've trained this a million times, and right now it's going to happen in the biggest spots. Amanda's as good as they come.
Well, she continues to leave that head open, and she paid for it there. She's almost moving into the strike. She hasn't changed up her tempo, and she continues to keep her head on that center. Oh!
You can never know what you're... Wow.
Ecco il cazzo. Chi è il prossimo? Ecco il cazzo.
Well, we take a look back at some of the pictures from this one, and she had it all going on tonight, but certainly her boxing was on point.
Her boxing always is what allows her to dictate the pace of fights. Finally, she landed the strike that ended the night of her opponent.
The official decision is in here.
Sangurao. Look at me now. Sangurao. Ah, Nama Yunus, mai la prendo con Nama Yunus. Questa categoria non ci gioco quasi mai. Perché se c'è, di solito ho usato questo. Nama Yunus, che non so se è sinistra o destra, ragazzi.
Coming up next, it's a UFC Women's Strawweight Division matchup.
Magic Master. Giocano PL, Polonia. Erbedin, hanno fatto C6 qua.
Well, good to have you with us, and right on time, I might add, as we get underway here at the O2 Arena in London, Inc. Opens with the left hand and lands flush. Zhang Weili with an entry here and able to connect on that one too. Beautifully done.
I watched Weili hit pad, and I was amazed at the hand speed that she displayed in that short video clip. This is... She is such a diverse striker that big strike landed, and it looks like she's going to finish this fight. That one was going to end the fight.
Yep.
That was a jab.
Lands another uppercut there. She's landed a few of those here tonight. That might have been the biggest of the bunch.
That was the best one. Did you see her opponent start to stagger back?
Giochiamo tranquilli, giochiamo tranquilli, non la facciamo se giochiamo tranquilli. Invece questa si fa in oggi, quando non mi
Shaw's hook shot gets blocked. The defense saw that one coming. Continues to mix it up. Going,
vai che non la facciamo. Vai che non la
Can't
facciamo.
take pictures now. She has to react. She has
Ah,
to
ne
chase
facciamo
the
foot,
finish.
facciamo foot, col
Well,
diretto.
she was long
Sempre
on
col
grappling
diretto,
experience
faccio
coming into the UFC, and you see her chops here. Just beautiful when it comes to the transition.
It's very difficult to keep up with her on the ground.
All right, so her ground control is outstanding. Half guard is when she's at her most dangerous.
Yeah, she's at her most dangerous when she has a half guard because she's so brutal with the ground and pound. She likes to go after fighters and really wear on them, force them to make decisions to give their back so that she can chase her submission, or they're going to lay on their back and just get beaten up from the top from that beautiful half guard position.
All right, she's in full guard here, BC.
She's going to be looking to pass, try to get to the next position.
Under 2 minutes to go now in our opening round.
E vai a casa, e vai a casa.
There comes the stoppage.
Sì, sì.
Yeah, that was just a beautiful shot by her there to end the fight. I'm not sure she could have drawn it up any better than it played out here tonight. She lands the seminal blow there midway through the round. I'm not even sure her opponent saw it coming. So, big knockout win for her here tonight. All right, the official decision is it.
Ash Rodriguez. It's time. Rodriguez, che non si chiama Rodriguez, si chiama Braccicoski.
Coming up next, it's a flyweight title fight between Valentina Shevchenko and Joanna Jędrzejczyk. Well, our stat guys are ready to score takedowns if need be, but given this matchup on paper, we're expecting really a glorified kickboxing match here under mixed martial arts rules.
They can head to the popcorn booth right now because we don't need them. This is going to be all striking. Leave that grapple button empty. Don't touch it. Covered with a piece of tape. You don't need it. Striker versus striker both have the mentality that they just want to put damage on their opponents and they don't want to do it on the mat.
Secondo Montante mi fa la parata, mi fa...
Well, I hope the judges recognize that she's blocking the majority of these shots. She's doing a beautiful job, I think, defensively.
She's doing a great job defensively. Big shot land.
So both girls landing right out of the chute. Oh, man, I hate to laugh, but she lands another kick there, and now you're really starting to see that visible damage on the other side.
When you start seeing the redness in the leg, that means that every time she's driving that baseball bat right into the thigh where she wants it to land. And now her opponent is limping. Her opponent's wounded. Her opponent's injured. And now watch the target way more stationary. Can't get pictures now. She has to react. She has to go chase the finish.
Unbelievable!
Cazzo.
That was nasty! Oh my goodness, what a fight.
That was a good stoppage by the referee. She was not effectively defending herself, and the opponent was doing some real damage. It became a dangerous situation. I think it's the right call by the official, and she will look to fight another day.
Da potesse dibattere, invece fai ste minchiate. Tutti qua a forzare il KO, faccio mio. Porco Dio.
Sequoia running from my paranoia. Hollywood want me to come and live and die in California. I ain't going out like River Phoenix. I wanna enjoy all of the spoils. I'm a golden boy like Oscar De La Hoya. I'm a soldier, masked up like it's the end of October. Blowing Doja in the streets with Manny Fresh down in the Noya. I done told you, when it come to beef and I ain't kosher, bought a cobra just to keep you snakes closer. I can spy motive, y'all can try and clone this. Get them lines quoted, but him and I know this. Line of my opponents, hold the eyes open, rip out the hearts and let them all die soulless. This step, ride the music. This step, ride the music. East side. This step, ride the music. This step, ride the music.
Ho tentato di prendere una maionese, però c'ho paura che
How many times you gon' play with death before you 30? But I'm
adesso finisce a destra, come cazzo si vede?
11 on my closest on a mission to get rich like Danny Ocean. How we roll it. All through traffic with this mob apparatus. These people want me in a casket, still I'm rolling.
It's cinese.
Amongst the coyotes and the road runners. Family, I'll leave your ass with no brothers. It ain't no love when you be.
Coming up next, it's a UFC Women's Strawweight Division matchup.
Raccomando, forziamo KO fino alla morte.
You ready? You ready?
Great to be back in the H-Town tonight. We are in Houston, Texas, USA, live from Toyota Center. Good to have you with us tonight. And this building has a lot of history for my man, DC. Pete Gustafson here, Roy Nelson back in the day. We'll see what's in store for these athletes tonight.
This arena's been great for the American Kickboxing Academy. Team Velasquez was able to retain.
Stai forzando intorno
She
al
is
KO.
such a
Cazzo,
diverse
spend
striker.
it.
That dad strike landed, and it looks like she's gonna finish this fight.
Ci sono dei colpi che vanno a segno, poi ma tornare in
She
guardia.
continues to connect with these punches.
Tornare in guardia
So
poi.
fast, so accurate, and also the cardio allows her to fight at such a great pace. Nice.
So both girls landing right out of the chute. There she goes, landing that jab again. She might have a better jab than you do.
Oh, she's got a fantastic jab. I'm telling you, put me to shame. I like to try to fight behind my jab, but I'm not sure I've ever landed them so consistently as we've seen her do tonight.
All 25 total strikes.
You can never know what you're gonna see. with
Pensa,
this
pensa,
young lady.
pensa.
Is
Non
she
forziamo.
gonna finish the fight?
Non forziamo.
Oh, big head kick there. Oh,
Dai.
huge shots there.
An uppercut landed.
Piaciuto?
Nice body kick.
Oh, straight right.
Ai.
She's thrown tonight. Her opponent's hurt.
Beautiful placement on that hook. What a great job of finally setting
Che
the
cazzo! Ogni volta cerco di pararmi basso e poi che sto scoperto alto.
All right, nice job by her to sort of shell up defensively here and prevent any of these shots from getting through.
She is taking no damage because she's so on point defensively.
Assurda.
Nice leg kick land. Caught that kick there. Still nice body kick land.
She
No,
lands
io
a lot
questo
there.
stavo
We'll see if she
facendo,
can
però
start
non
to
già,
turn
se
these
non so
singular strikes
perché
into combinations now.
ma di
She's
cacciare
gonna have to-
lo so,
Can't
porca
take
dio.
punches out. She has to react. She has to go chase the finish.
Andiamo a te,
Now
cioè.
goes in and secures the takedown. Oh, looks like a guillotine attempt here for her.
Oh, nice guillotine there.
Oh, we're getting a finish here. Wow. Oh, nice job by her there. You see how strong she is. Her opponent's trying to control posture.
No, questa è terra da
Now
giocare,
she
guarda.
get to work and putting the money in the bank with that ground and pound.
Money
giocare
in
questa terra.
the bank. Oh, pretty good job there posturing up and landing with the ground and pound. She has been very efficient in this situation tonight.
Very efficient and very accurate. Hats off to her.
The horn sounds for the end of round one.
Buono, buono, vedi? Questo.
You ready? You
Second round underway.
Big kick land.
Oh, she works the body as well as anybody in the... Is that a huge strike right there, DC?
Great shot landed. Now she's got to go chase her down. Get another one to finish the fight.
Oh, well played there as she gets back to her feet.
Oh, she's got her back. She's real good here. She'll either jump on her back or try to...
No, sono un coglione.
And look at her handwork there. Beautiful straight punch.
Che è successo? Si è bloccata la partita. Che sicuro.
She has to go chase the finish.
Sì, si è buggato mezzo mondo. Ah, vaffanculo. Che è rimasto sotto il fiatone. No, è andata nulla. Da Dio che ti aiuta. Cancanza a Dio che ti aiuta. Dio che ti aiuta. It's time.
Coming up next, it's a UFC Women's Strawweight Division matchup.
Ready? Ready?
First round underway. Opens with the left hand and lands flush. And just misses with that big right hand. Oh, beautiful connection by her on that punch.
She's so fast. Throws.
She missed with that jab. Flips her with the left hand.
Nice body kick.
Well, it's one thing to be confident in your chin. It's another thing to leave your head wide open for damage, and that's exactly what she did there as she eats the uppercut. Let's see if she circles out and tries to prevent any further damage here.
Big kick land.
Nice 1-2 there.
Nice body kick right under the elbow.
Well, she went to the straight left, unable to connect. Some nice back and forth action here. I'm not sure her striking has ever looked better, DC, finding the range with relative ease here tonight.
She's doing a great job of timing everything. She is seeing everything.
And she did not miss there. This could be the end, DC.
I mean, she hurt her so bad with that big head kick. I don't know how she stands.
25 total strikes, which have landed for Weili Zhang.
Beautiful body kick. Nice punch lands over the top.
Oh, she blocks the punch. Zhang Weili with an entry here and able to connect on that one, too. Beautifully done.
I watched Weili hit pads, and I was amazed at the hand speed that she displayed in that short video clip. This is a fantastic striker, an unbelievable performer, and a great UFC champion.
Hook to the head lands flush there by Zhang.
Big body kick. That's a big strike right there.
How good a job does she do defensively to protect that head, raise... Oh!
She is such a diverse striker that big strike landed, and it looks like she's going to finish this fight.
Sopravvissuto,
45 seconds now to go in the round. good is her movement here on the ground, right? Shades of Ray Borg, just transitioning so beautiful.
Yeah, she's so good at transitions and movement. Her ability is unmatched.
Just misses with the punch by Zhang Weili. Gets touched by that kick to the body.
That is a big shot to the head. I cannot believe she's still standing.
All right, let's take a look. Our round 2 is now here. Weili Zhang. And also ready to go, Weili Zhang.
Great punch landed with so much power.
Educated jab right there from
pedata,
Zhang
porca
Weili.
puttana.
This is a competitive division, but certainly looks like a fighter who could reign for some time.
I mean, China's first UFC champion. And Weili is the person that you want to see carrying the flag for her country. She has everything. She's even learned to speak English now. She understands the importance of drawing people in and capturing the imagination of the fight fans around the world.
Well, she's really putting it all together on the feet, DC, staying busy and certainly staying accurate.
She's known for her hands, and this is why.
Sto prendendo troppi colpi.
66
Troppi colpi sto
total
prendendo.
strikes have landed for Weili Zhang. While the accuracy rate not great, below 40% now. Fire there, DC, and now her opponent maybe seeing stars.
Her opponent's seeing stars. Her opponent's hurt. She has to really get after her now and try to find that kill
si è
shot
fottuta
that's
di
going to
nuovo.
finish tonight.
Che cazzo però, porco dio. Cazzo. Era anche un bello incontro. Si è fottuto. E poi è bug e poi fa così e basta. Dio porco. Ah, scema, scoppolai. Ultimo. Sceppa, ma scoppolai.
It's about 10 to 4 when the back of the coupe is open. Your girlfriend's gone off that goose and cola. You bout goddamn. And I'm also focused for the day that I blow this open. Money like hocus pocus at the club with a bunch of brokers. Also, I can poke the broke bitch. Hang eyes, trap. Put you all over my Snapchat. Damn that, so fat. Gotta get you home like stat. Red light, green light. Red light, green light. Red light, green light.
Sceppa, ma scoppolai.
Red light, green light. You know what I'm reaching for. Shot my 3, who's keeping score? Too late to wait anymore. 1 mile till
Coming up next, it's a UFC Women's Flyweight Division matchup.
Prendi.
All right, so round 1 is underway. It's going to be very interesting to see how this fight plays out. She wanted to test herself against one of the best strikers in this division, but that would not appear to be the path of least resistance.
She believes that her full mixed martial arts game is what's going to allow her to win this fight. It's a close fight, because she's never seen anyone with the striking ability of her opponent.
Ah no, minchia, non già il calcio rotante, mi sa visto. Non già il calcio rotante, lo voglio vedere. Brava,
Massive kick to the
questo mi è
head.
piaciuto. Non cerchiamo per forza il KO, cazzo.
DC, for my money, she's really timing her shots pretty well here tonight.
Her timing, accuracy, and also the activity level is great tonight.
Big head kick.
Good right here.
No,
Oh, good job
sbagliato,
defensively to
volevo
block
fare
the
quello.
strike there by Yeon Jacek. Nice right hand there from Joanna Jędrzejczyk. She's got that look in her eye tonight.
Brava.
That'll scare a
Brava.
lot of men. Oh, huge right
Brava.
hand.
L'ho tirato un po', però mi è arrivato.
That dash big
Ninja.
strike landed, and it looks like she's going to finish this fight.
So just over 20 total strikes have now landed for
È
Joanna
buona a
Jędrzejczyk.
terra. È buona a terra.
Oh, the right hand is there for her.
È buona a terra, mi sa.
How good is her movement here on the ground, right? Shades of Ray Borg, just transitioning so beautiful.
Yeah, she's so good at transitions and movement. Her ability is unmatched.
All right, half guard position for her here, and this is a spot where we've seen her have a lot of wild success in previous fights.
She has a tremendous amount of success from this position because she's so knowledgeable. She keeps the right side underhook, and she just goes to work with that left arm. She's posting and elbowing. She's building her posture and punching.
Sarà
There are
facile
just so many different
portare a
ways
terra
for
questa,
her to score strikes from this
Per
position.
niente.
Oh, she's really starting to put together some significant body shots here, attacking both sides now.
Vai.
Mixes it up nicely in terms of staying heavy and also staying active. Under a minute now to go in the opening round.
Vai.
Just out of the range with that right hand.
Ah, che è ingavato, il ginocchio mi è arrivato. Deciso dove dovevo arrivare, va.
Big punch land.
Kick to the body by
Che
Jędrzejczyk.
cazzo è? Ha parato, non si è smosso.
Ooh, nice trip by her there to get the takedown. I think a lot of fighters would be susceptible to that type of takedown in a clinch situation.
She tricks you, right? Because she has you thinking hip tossing. The moment you take your hips back to create space, boom, there goes those beautiful trips. Fantastic judo player we have when we watch this young lady.
Che è un cavallo.
All right, so here we go, folks. The start of round 2. This should be good. Katlyn Chookagian. And there is Joanna Jędrzejczyk.
Nice kick.
Well, she's showing you her full striking development here as she goes to that left hand.
She's showing that she can do everything tonight in the octagon. Good jab. Big body kick land.
Man, look at... Oh, that's about as big a body shot as you've seen.
Vai, 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 vai.
Landed that strike perfect. She was looking for it, and she found the moment where it landed.
Vai, vai, vai.
Continues to mix
Mamma
it up
mia,
with
evviva
a mix
il
of body shots.
pomerago, evviva il pomerago. Per miracolo.
Man, she is just non-stop on the ground, moving, and it's another nice transition by her there.
She's moving a lot, but every movement has purpose.
Going for a submission. Wow, there is just a viciousness with which she operates here on the ground as she continues to get the ground and pound game going. She might get a finish here.
She's looking for the finish. She's so good at dictating these ground changes.
Wow.
Full side control now.
Great movement by her here on the ground, and she just does it so fluidly and so easily. It's really a sight to behold.
You can tell that she's been a lifetime developing this skill with the way that she's able to move with so little effort on the mat.
59 total strikes have now landed for Joanna Jędrzejczyk. And landing with 45% accuracy tonight against Katlyn Chookagian. I'm not sure her striking has ever looked better, DC, finding the range with relative ease here.
She's doing a great job of timing everything. She is seeing everything out there.
Well, she was a little bit hesitant in round 1, but she has certainly picked up the pace here in this second round. It took her a while to find her range. She's in a strong striking rhythm now.
Good
Aye, aye.
punch.
Oh!
Ai, ai.
You can never know what you're going to see with this young lady. Is she going to finish the fight?
Ammazzato. Cazzo, ho avuto la possibilità. E alla fine è passata lei, vabbè.
Most fighters in this division
Si è salvata
get
due
knocked out by
volte,
that
porca
strike.
Dio,
Near
due
perfect
volte.
execution. She found a little crack in the defense and found a home for that strike. Landed flush, and that is another one for the highlight reel, but few prettier than that one as she gets the big knockout win here tonight. All right, we take a look back at some of the pictures from this one, and she had it all going on tonight, but certainly her boxing was on point.
Her boxing always is what allows her to dictate the pace of fights. Finally, she landed the strike that ended the night of her opponent.
Oh, we send it inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer has the...
Porco Dio. Due vinte e 3 persi. Divisione 4. Vabbè. Molto equilibrato. Per pugni è più precisa sicuramente, è più spanaccione. Porco Dio. Devo vincere qui. Vabbè, la chiudiamo qua. Bye bye.
Cash bag, running through dead zone, hope it don't crash. And the song, bring it up fast. Be alone, I'ma hold what I can and then dash. Y'all got another planet on stash. Far from the fact that the flames of our trash. That is not snow, it is ash. And you gotta know the past, gotta rap. It's a lover gone mad, but I promise.
Baby, if I had another chance, I would give another chance to you. Ooh. If I make another wish, I'll wish for a wish for you.